Welcome back to TechGitter Official. If you're stuck with the error, the application was unable to start correctly, don't worry. Today I'll show you 4 proven methods to fix it easily. Let's start with the quickest solution. Right-click on the app that's giving the error and click Run as Administrator. Sometimes, the program just needs extra permission to launch. If that didn't work, let's try adjusting compatibility settings. Right-click the app's Properties Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and choose Windows 8. Click Apply and OK. Now try launching the app again. Still not fixed? The issue might be with your system locale, especially if your Windows is in a non-English language. Here's how to fix that. Press Windows +R, type Control International CPL, and hit Enter. Go to the Administrative tab. Click Change System Locale. Select English, United States, and click OK. Restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, try opening the app again. This method works really well for this error. Still getting the error? Let's fix it by re-registering all the DLL files used by the app. Right-click your app, click Open File Location. In the folder, click the top address bar and type CMD. Hit Enter. Now type this command. 4%in, start at do rexfer32/s%I. Press Enter. This will quickly re-register all DLLs without showing any pop-ups. Now just restart your PC and try opening the app again. If it worked, comment below which method helped. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real tech fixes.